something else to mend. Can you see what I see? This middle bit has gone down too far into these legs. There. And it's dragging on the carpet when I sit on it. So we're going to take it apart and see if I can't do something about that and give it a bit more life, because the chair is fine as it is. And I don't really want to buy a new one. To the shed. Disturbingly, I can see cracks here, which may be from when I replaced this tube, or when I was trying to get it out. But no, I was whacking it this way. Anyway, let's take it out and see how bad they are. Oh, that was a lot easier than I thought it would be. Okay, let's inspect. Okay. I don't like them. It means the gap is widening, but what if I were to fill those with araldite? Or super... I don't know. I will think about this for a minute. Unfortunately, on closer inspection, can you see, how about if I hold it up to the light here, and you see that big crack and that big fissure, and the crack goes all the way around, and I think that is ready to fall apart at a moment's notice. So I will have to get a new chair, unless you can buy new bottoms. I don't know, I haven't checked that out yet, but for the time being, let's at least get it through the next couple of days. Let's do something for it. Well, one of us wheels just fell off. So I think it's sort of coming to the end of its life, which is a shame, but we're going to do a quick fix, and it's going to involve this. That. Hashtag no promo. Right, that's the bit we want, but we don't want the rest of the solo in there. Yeah. Well, I've had to cut a slot out of it because it was too wide, but it fits in there nicely now. I don't know whether to bother to glue it into place, since I'm going to have to get a new chair anyway, but we might just put a few tacking to keep it where it should be. Ain't super glue wonderful? That's nice, that. Now let's try its thing. How far is that if we put some weight on it? Oh yeah? That'll do for a while, till I can work out whether I get new bottoms or a whole new chair. I'll take it inside and put it together. Alrighty, here we go. Here's the test. confidence level is not high, but I'm sitting in it and I can wheel it round. I'm not a huge person. If I go back, oh, I can hear glue making noises, but if I'm careful with this for a little while, I think it'll be all right. How far down has it gone? Just with my fat ass in it. Well, not fat ass. Let's have a look here. There we go. And now I'll have to take you out. Oh yeah. Oh, there's plenty of clearance. Okay. Well, yeah. That's not a permanent fix. Focus. All right, don't focus. It's not a permanent fix, but it will do. It will do for now. If I fall off it and kill myself, I'll fill you in.